It's Friday morning, walking in the park, walking in the park. Kasawa, a little bit only. Yeah, we're in the park. Friday morning. Look at this story walk. That's my hobby. We're here at the Island Park, Michigan. Mount Pleasant, I mean. Walking again. Look at this. Oh, that's a nice one here. I don't see any duck. Pwedeng mag-fishing here. Just walk. Don't bother. There's a lot of people already here. Okay, my husband said pay attention, you walk. I want to see the duck, that's fine. There's a nice park here. Malinis. Very green. Maganda ang ano ngayon. Nice. Look at this. Big trees. The end agad. A nice day today. Hindi mahangin. Mainit pero okay. Kasi yung parang malamig pa rin sa akin kasi iba eh, Pilipina ako eh. Nandito ako sa ano eh, malamig na lugar. Oh, look at that. Ang asawa ko ayaw niya masyado. Okay. I'm gonna concentrate on walking, okay? Look at that lake there. Oh, sige na, mag-concentrate ako sa paglalakad. Okay. May mga ano kasi dumadaan. Makakamasagasaan. Yung mga trabahador dito naglilinis. Okay. Salamat sa pagpanood. Bye now.